Today, we're diving into the world of powerful photography with the Sony CyberShot RX10 IV, a compact marvel boasting an incredible 25x optical zoom and an impressive 0.03 second autofocus acquisition speed. This camera is a game-changer, especially when shooting in challenging conditions or at the ultra-telephoto end of the zoom range, thanks to Sony's advanced optical image stabilization technology. Equipped with 315 phase detection AF points covering approximately 65% of the frame, the RX10 IV delivers unparalleled precision in focusing. The flexibility of shooting modes, including the automatic mode, ensures that capturing stunning photos and videos is a breeze. But the magic doesn't stop there. The JOBY GorillaPod 3K kit adds a new dimension to your photography experience. With wrappable legs that can grip, wrap, and stand on virtually any surface, this compact tripod provides the stability needed for professional camera equipment. Holding devices weighing up to 3 kilograms, 6.6 pounds, it's a robust companion for your photography adventures. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a professional, the combination of the Sony CyberShot RX10 IV and the JOBY GorillaPod 3K kit opens up a world of creative possibilities. Stay tuned as we explore the features, test the autofocus speed, and push the limits of this dynamic duo in various shooting scenarios. Get ready to witness the next level of photography. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.